Hello and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. Today we're going to be taking a look at this little ball shaped thing. This exercise is pretty simple. We're just going to be doing a couple of 40mm diameter circles in terms of sketches, and then we're going to be revolving them. So it's going to be nice and quick, and then you'll be able to follow along from this drawing. I'm going to start this one off with a sketch on the front plane. We're just going to do 2 sketches in total, and there's going to be 2 circles in the first sketch, 1 in the second. I'm going to make that 40mm. Do another one up here, also 40mm. Then we'll dimension. I just pushed D to dimension against the origin over there. 150 divided by 2. So you could type 75 or you could make it 150 over 2. So I'm making that 150 over 2. Now I can see they're not fully constrained. If I have to click on it and drag it, it's allowing itself to move in an arc, maintaining that distance of 75mm. So I want to fix that. I'm just going to add, we've got over here a vertical horizontal constraint. So on both of them I'll add that constraint, and they will be constrained to be either vertical or horizontal to the origin. That's the first one. At this point we could revolve them, but I want to just do the last sketch and then we'll do it all at once. I'm going to create a sketch on this plane. C for center diameter circle, and again this is 40 diameter or dimension 75, and then the horizontal vertical constraint. Finish sketch. Now these are going to be revolving around the central axis. So over there we've got the Z axis. Our next one will be the Y axis, and it's not a cut, it's a join. And then I want to turn these sketches back on because we obviously need to sketch that last one or revolve it. So I'll just turn the bodies off there, selected that, select the axis. We're getting an error there because it says there's no visible bodies, so I'll turn bodies back on and say join. Okay, now let's turn our sketches off, and we're able to see exactly what we saw in that drawing. In that drawing I think we had a cross section across one of them. So let's have a look here and go to inspect, and we can go to section analysis. The cut plane, we'll pick any one of these, and we can see there, you can see as we move through it we've got the different parts of our, I'm not sure what to call the shape. It's just a bunch of circles or donuts. I hope you enjoyed that one. It was a nice quick one. Check out our beginner tutorial playlist for some more. Till next time, bye.